Christmas is all about red, green and snowflakes. Hi friends, this is Sonia here from GrowingCraft, and do subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out any of our updates. Christmas is around the corner and this is my series of Christmas card making. Now for this one I'm using my Tim Holtz tool. This is a teeny mini tool which gives a very beautiful distressed look. I absolutely love this tiny tool. This is always there and handy whenever I'm making my scrapbooking or my card making. Now I am just giving a little rustic look on my edges. So I'm going to use a lot of pattern papers here in the combination of red and white, and of course it has a lot of bows and snowflakes. Christmas handmade cards are like one of the easiest way to show your love to your loved ones. So here I'm using, like I said, the red and whites, and all of these has a beautiful design pattern of the Christmas in it. So just giving a distressed look to it, and once I'm happy with it, I am going to do my layering work. Now in my previous videos I had talked a lot about these cardboard pieces which you just saw, and I'm going to use it for this one. So if you have foam tape, very good, you can use it. If you don't have it, this is a quick hack where you can add a lot of layering to it. So once you are done with your layering work with the 3D foam, it's time to assemble your card. Now trust me, this is super fun. Adding different layers and creating a lot of drama is super fun, but your mixed media fibers are going to add a lot more element to it. So here I'm using my mixed media fiber. Check out all these supplies and on our website at growingcraft.com. I'll try to put on all the supplies link in the description box too. Now, using my pattern papers with the help of the cardboard pieces and adding a nice 3D layering to it. Did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. Now, on the top of this, I am going to use another layer of my mixed media fiber. Now, Christmas cards has to be special. It has to be super amazing. That's why adding a lot of layers brings a lot of handmade touch to it, gives it a little more special feeling. Now adding my final sentiment. So this one I have just picked up from the pattern paper pack. I have literally just cut it and I'm going to use it as it is. Now adding some of the sequences. I absolutely love doing these, and I have got a very nice tool to pick up my sequences and I love it. And just a dot of glue, pick up your tool and pick up your sequences, and you can start sticking it wherever you want it. Now here in this one I'm using the semi-transparent one, and with this my DIY Christmas card is ready. Isn't it looking special? Do let me know in the comment section, guys. And yes, do check out the supplies link in the end of the video. Did you like this tutorial? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. If you want me to do more pop-up cards or 3D card, do let me know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Do subscribe, take care, and bye-bye.